One of the advantages of Southern California is you can come to the beach right before work. So I'm at the famous Rock, which is seen in almost all car commercials showing Southern California and stereotype California type of commercials. And I just came here before work to kind of just relax and chill, and we're gonna look for a sunrise this morning. See if it's not too cloudy or overcast to have one. Kind of a nice morning. So no matter where you live, whether it's in California, up high in Alaska, in another country, every country has a place that's beautiful. And if you're feeling depressed and you're feeling anxious or you feel stressed, one of the things to do is just take a little bit of time out, take a half hour, one day a week, and just come out and just let, this is gonna sound strange, but just let the ions of the universe, just let you relax. This is something that there's no science to it, but it seems as though it's just hard to be upset, depressed, or stressed about anything when you see this. So find a place of beauty in your country, wherever it is, and go to it once a week, once every other week, and just enjoy life, because someday it's over. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you have a place of beauty that you like to go to, let me know in the comment section. And if you can, go to my Patreon account, try to support this channel. The reason why is you can actually choose and ask questions, and I'll make videos based upon your requests.